CPERSIA is the first hand-woven carpet e-shop in the world that uses augmented reality (AR) technology. With this technology you can instantly try all of the products in your home virtually. To use this feature, you don't need to install any application. Download and print the PDF file which contains the target picture on A4 size paper, and then put the paper wherever you want to see the product in your home. Use your smartphone or tablet to click on the icon on each product page. The camera will be activated. Put your phone to the target picture, and you will see the product virtually in your home. CPERSIA. Carpets of Persia.